In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform and elevate your audio clips using CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or have some editing experience, this process is both fun and straightforward, allowing you to add an amusing twist to your audio files. Let's dive in. To start, you'll want to select the audio clip you wish to work with on your timeline. Make sure you've gathered all your audio files and organize them in your project space so that finding the clip is easy and quick. Once your clip is selected, direct your attention to the audio panel. The audio panel is your playground, offering numerous ways to manipulate and enhance the audio of your clips. It's your best friend when it comes to making quick and creative changes. Next, we're going to increase the pitch of your audio. In the audio panel, look for the pitch adjustment settings. You'll typically notice a slider or a setting that allows you to increase the pitch. Go ahead and adjust the pitch to +12 or even higher. This adjustment will create a unique, higher-pitched audio effect that can give an entirely different feel to your original sound. Adjusting pitch is especially great for achieving that amusing chipmunk-style voice effect that can enhance comedic sequences or bring a whimsical tone to your projects. Additionally, CapCut offers specific voice effects you can use to further enhance your edits. If it's available in your version of CapCut, try out the helium voice effect. This preset is designed to give you an instant fun voice change without needing too much manual adjustment. Applying the helium effect to your audio clip will help you achieve that classic, entertaining sound often associated with characters like Alvin and the Chipmunks. After you've made these adjustments, it's important to play back your audio. Listening to it in its edited form ensures that you're satisfied with how everything sounds. Pay attention to the details and see if there's anything that needs tweaking. Maybe you need to fine-tune the pitch a bit more to fit the mood you're going for. Or you might want to explore other audio effects CapCut has to offer to personalize the experience further. Finally, don't forget to have fun during this process. Audio editing is a creative endeavor, and exploring different settings can lead to unexpected and delightful results. Whether you're polishing your audio for a video project, a social media post, or just playing around for enjoyment, these steps will help you add an exciting flair to your audio clips in CapCut. Keep experimenting and pushing boundaries to discover what's possible. And most importantly, enjoy the journey of creativity.